Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start now, confirm the Mac model and ensure power is connected, because a dying battery will interrupt recovery. Next, create or locate a bootable USB installer, or verify Wi-Fi and your Apple ID for internet recovery. This matters since internet recovery fetches firmware and Mac OS images. If the Mac is frozen, hold the power button for 10 seconds to force shut down, then immediately boot into recovery. Use Command-R for local recovery, or Option Command-R for internet recovery. Once in recovery, open Disk Utility and run first aid on the internal drive and any apps containers. This fixes directory and volume errors that commonly trap recovery. Make sure to mount the drive before attempting repairs. Unmountable drives need more advanced steps. If first aid reports success, proceed to reinstall Mac OS onto the existing volume. This refreshes system files without erasing data. If Disk Utility cannot repair, use terminal commands like diskutil-list and repair volume, but proceed cautiously and note device identifiers. After reinstall completes, restart and go through setup. Sign into your Apple ID and verify iCloud and File Vault status so syncing resumes. If reinstall fails or recovery keeps looping, boot from an external USB installer to reinstall or restore a Time Machine backup. This bypasses a corrupted recovery partition. If problems persist, reset NVRAM and the SMC for power and boot configuration resets, and run Apple Diagnostics to rule out failing storage or RAM.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.